Kind of like when they came for the fire alarm at
Yeah, Bailey.
yeah.
Hopefully they're not at BGR. If I'm so, here on South Orange Avenue outside of BGR, wondering what happened. So we got engine 8-3, and we got the truck over there. And Maplewood Medic. Medic 36. Seems like we're getting everything downtown here. So here's a better view of the engine. Probably one of my favorite engines in the area. Besides engine 32, but this is quite new and I like how it looks. And here we got the ladder. It looks a bit different from the tower. You guys have probably seen in a few recent videos. The ladder, it does not have a tower. It's not a tower ladder. It's just a regular ladder. But yeah, I really like this truck. South Orange Fire Station is located literally right down there. And so is the rescue squad. You've also seen that in a few other videos. But it looks like they might get the fire alarm at this private training place. But yeah, hopefully I can update you guys on what actually happened. Also, one thing you might notice in this video, I am sorry about the rain and everything if it's getting in the camera, but this is a different recording thing. And this happens a lot. Whenever I don't bring my phone, something good happens. And it annoys me. Dramatic again. Is this a strong service? Yeah, Medic 36, again. Alright, so back to what I was saying, yeah. I'm recording on my mom's phone because I always don't bring my phone and something good happens. I mean, it's so annoying. And Medic 36 is just still in traffic. Closely on the top, you can see the water cannon. I'm looking at it from the wrong direction. You can't see the nozzle, but it's there. And to finish up this video, cell phone